How to add restaurant on Uber Eats. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can add restaurant on Uber Eats. For this, open up any web browser and head over to merchants.ubereats.com. Once you are on this website, you will have to enter some details over here to get started. Start by entering your store address, floor or suite, then enter your store name. Now you want to enter the brand name. After that, select your business type. Now enter your first name and last name. Then you want to enter your email address. Now type in your mobile number. After you have entered all these details, click on the submit option. Once these details have been submitted, you will receive a phone call or an email. All you have to do is follow the process guided to you either on your phone call or by the email address. With that, you will be able to add your restaurant on Uber Eats. Once you are done up and running, you can use Uber Eats Manager to monitor your result, access support whenever you need. Then you can also go live and access the restaurant dashboard provided by the Uber Eats. Simply turn on the Uber Eats order app to start accepting order right away. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.